Hi, this is the Level 3 lesson for Unit 10, Lesson A. And first, I will play the listening, and you can follow along with the conversations in your book.
CD number 4, page 98, Unit 10. What's up? Lesson A, Catching Up. 1. Getting started. B. Listen. What topics do the people above talk about? Were the topics on your list? 1.
So, what have you been doing since I saw you last?
Working. That's pretty much it. I haven't been out in months. What about you?
Same here. I've been working late every night. Do you have time to grab a bite to eat?
Two.
I haven't seen you in ages. What have you been up to?
Well, you won't believe it, but I've been seeing a guy from work. We've gone out 3 or 4 times now, so I guess it's getting serious.
3.
What have you been up to recently? I haven't seen you at the gym.
Well, I've been going to a pottery class since September.
Pottery? Really? So what kind of things do you make?
So far, I've made 8 vases and 2 bowls. Here's something I just made.
4.
Hey, good to see you. I see you're still doing karate.
Oh, yeah.
How long have you been doing that? About 3 years?
Actually, for 9 years now.
Wow, that's impressive.
And after you finish watching the video, you will look at the conversations and choose the correct words to finish. And when you're done, continue the video to check. These are the answers that you should have marked. And on the next page, that exercise is connected to the grammar point for the lesson, which is present perfect continuous versus present perfect. After you have reviewed the chart, continue to part A, and you will choose the correct form. Sometimes you can use both, and add for, since, or in where necessary. And then after you have finished writing in your answers, continue the video to check. These are the answers that you should have. And just take note of which ones can use either tense. And if you have any questions, let me know. And then the last practice is speaking. So I'm going to play the listening and listen to how these 2 words are reduced in speaking, even though in writing you spell it as 2 words.
Page 99. 3. Speaking naturally. Reduction of have. A. Listen and repeat the questions above. Practice the reduction of have to v. Then ask and answer the questions. Continue your conversations.
What have you been doing for fun lately?
How many times have you gone out this month?
Where have you been hanging out?
And now I'm going to play part B. You will listen and write the 4 questions that you hear.
Page 99. 3. Speaking naturally. Reduction of have. B. Listen. Write the 4 questions you hear. Then ask and answer with a partner. 1,
What have you been doing on weekends lately?
2,
Where have you been going in the evenings?
3,
How many times have you eaten out?
4,
What have you been watching on TV?
Listen again as many times as you need, and then when you're ready, continue the video to check the answers. These are the questions you should have written down, and then think about how you would answer them. I think because of the current situation, we all have the same answers for 2 and 3, but think about your answers for number 1 and number 4. And that's it for this lesson. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.